Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Figma components for scalable UI design systems, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Figma components for scalable UI design systems, start by opening your Figma file. Navigate to the design elements you want to convert into components. Select an element that you would like to turn into a component. Right-click on the selected element to open the context menu. Choose the Create Component option from the menu. You can also use the shortcut Command plus Option plus K on Mac or Control plus Alt plus K on Windows. Your selected element will now be converted into a component, indicated by a purple outline. Next, create multiple instances of this component by right-clicking on it and selecting Instance from the same menu. Alternatively, you can drag the component from the Assets panel into your canvas. To manage your component library, open the Assets panel on the left sidebar. Click on the library icon to view your saved components. Here, you can enable or disable libraries as needed for your project. To create variations of your components, use the Variants feature. Select the component, then look for the Combine as Variants option in the context menu. Add properties to differentiate between variations, such as size, color, or state. This allows you to organize components more effectively in your design system. To ensure scalability, utilize naming conventions for components and variants. Choose clear and consistent names that reflect their function or purpose. Group similar components together in a logical hierarchy in the Assets panel. To apply the component in your design, simply drag it from the Assets panel into your project. To make changes to a master component, double-click on it in the Assets panel or on the canvas. Any edits will automatically update all instances of that component across your design. Regularly review and refine your components for better usability and maintainability. This process will help ensure that your UI design system remains scalable and efficient. Finally, remember to document your components for team visibility and consistency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.